Okay, so this is the final box. I haven't got the screws in yet, just to show you what it looks like inside. As you can see, it's just a very simple proof of concept to see if it works with simple bolts attached with one wire to the analog ports on the Arduino. So now I've got the 12 buttons. At the moment, only the ones at the bottom are connected to the Arduino. Click on this, you can see it's now opened up one of the cameras, and the camera is actually just one of these sort of like GoPro type cameras, a cheapy version of that from SJCam. It does the job very good. I just connected it with a USB port, and you can see it shows the video, and I've got that pointing to a diagram, and you can move that around and put some more light on it or whatever. So that's one, and if I turn that off, if I just press, at the moment I've got it set on button 2. If I just get rid of that, you can see the little light comes on. If I put it on again, it goes off. And also I've got a picture of me if you really want to see what I look like. There you go. And I can turn that off again as well. What I've also got here are some other scenes. As you can see, maybe what I need to do is... Okay, so if I wanted to switch screens, I can just press... I've got those two programmed for the screens. I will actually move it to the ones at the top. But if I wanted to switch over to another screen, as you can see, well, you can see it's going into infinity because this is the screen I'm actually looking at. And if I press that one, I go back again. That one's doing nothing. That one, you just get a picture of me, and that one is the zoom up. Now, if I press those two, it will go to a close up on the SJCam. Let's see if that works. Press those. Screen, and you can see here I've got the close up, and all it's doing is going. And if I wanted to program maybe this first switch here, so it actually turns off this webcam above here, all I need to do is just go over to, I'll have to switch over to the, so you can see what I'm doing. So if I go over to settings, hotkey, and I want it's actually this one, but it's actually going on 1. So what I'll do is move that. I'll just click on the buttons that I want. I'll put that as number 6. I know it's the 6th button. And then I just apply. And OK. Now if I press back and I press this one, you see it's now just showing, it's actually turning off the screen, but I can turn these on still. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that's good. I'll turn it back on. So, okay, so that's basically it. As you can see, all the buttons are now doing something, at least the ones which I know are connected. That one's not doing anything. That one will just bring it back here. If I moved over to here, for example, then I'll press it back here and it goes back. Yeah. So I will actually program the buttons at the top to switch the scenes and these to switch the cameras. I tried to connect 4 cameras, but the 4th one seemed to always disconnect. It may be I'm expecting too much bandwidth to go across the USB port, even though it's a USB 3 port. Maybe there's still some limitations of how much that can actually take, but it was losing the video all the time. So the next steps is now to convert this breadboard into a PCB, and I may even create another PCB to go on the top here, with just the actual tracks that I'm pressing on as buttons, rather than having to have bolts and things in it. So let's see how that goes. Okay, thank you for watching.